Hi doctor, let's see how evamed makes billing simple, powerful and effortless. When you first set up your account, we'll ask for your GST status. If you are a GST registered doctor, toggle on the GST registered practice button. You can enter the GST number as well. If you have already set up your profile, you can update your GST status anytime by going to admin, then click on doctor setup, then click on edit and finally toggling the GST registered practice button. Now let's quickly set up your invoice series. In the admin tab, click on GST bill series configuration. Here you can create a new invoice series by adding 3-letter prefix and your starting number. For example, add INV for invoice and start with 000001. evamed will automatically generate every new invoice in a perfect sequence from there. Now let's move to the billing flow. On your patient card, you'll notice a small rupee icon. That's your source to create a tax invoice cum bill of supply. Click on it and evamed will open the invoice window. Let's focus on what matters. Start with the service description. It could be anything: consultation, procedure, writing a certificate, or even cosmetic treatment. As soon as you start typing, evamed suggests your past services so you can reuse them instantly. Next, enter the amount. Let's say rupees 1000 for a consultation. Then select the GST rate applicable to this service. evamed automatically calculates the tax and updates the totals in real time. If you are giving any discounts, you can add them here, both standard and additional. If you don't give discounts, those fields won't appear in your final invoice. You can also add multiple services to the same invoice if needed. evamed updates everything, including the tax, in real time. Now let's record how the payment came in. Say the patient paid rupees 700 via UPI and rupees 350 in cash. Just enter those amounts under the payment information section. You can split payments across any number of modes: cash, card, UPI, etc. If the bill is a part of longer treatment plan, say multiple sittings or visits, you can link the invoice to that plan right here. This helps you track payments across sessions automatically so you always know what's been billed and what's pending. Once everything looks good, click Generate Invoice. You'll instantly see tax invoice cum bill of supply. You can also share or download it as a PDF, print it, or send it directly to your patient via WhatsApp. Every invoice you create automatically appears in your Payments tab, so you can view, search, or edit them anytime without losing track. Just note that the invoice number stays fixed to maintain your proper sequence. And if you have linked it to a treatment plan, that payment also shows up in the Patient's Procedures tab, keeping all your financial and clinical records perfectly in sync. The invoice information recorded here can be used by doctors to prepare their 3C daily case register as required for record maintenance. So that's how evamed helps you manage your billing.